Hey everyone, welcome back to Isobe Food. Today is going to be a mini episode with a quick peek at Sous Vide and a tasty twist on a classic chicken salad. Sous vide is a water bath cooking method controlled by an immersion circulator that slowly heats the water so that ingredients cook evenly at precise temperatures. The results are perfection. It's changing my overall health and the quality of my eats. I'm big on saving money, especially in matters of food. Living in New York is expensive and eating out every day is a drain on the wallet. For me, vegetables become the star during the week. A few drips of extra virgin olive oil, some kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper is all it takes to stay healthy. Seal up your veggies using a vacuum sealer and let the sous vide do the work for you. I cook up potatoes, butternut squash, cauliflower, carrots, and more at 185 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. The end product is perfectly textured vegetables that haven't lost an ounce of nutrients to boiling or steaming. On top of that, the taste is intense and clean. Aside, sous vide shines in its ability to keep proteins juicy yet evenly cooked without the use of added oil. Taking a cheap cut of meat like beef shank or top round and transforming it into a tender, delicious dish is as simple as putting something in a bag. One of my least favorite things is chicken breasts. It's really boring and often dry and overcooked. Preparing it with the sous vide method results in something that you simply have to try yourself. It's hard to describe, so I really urge you to try it out. Now, for the star of the episode, Gochujang Chicken Salad. We've encountered gochujang in previous episodes. This Korean chili paste is the perfect balance of spicy, sweet, and savory and should be in your pantry. Grab it online and use it in place of sriracha. Remove the skin from 2 split chicken breasts. Season simply with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Seal them using a vacuum sealer or simply drop them in a large freezer bag. Cook them in a bath at 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Once cooked, rest them in cold water for 5 minutes. Cube the chicken breast and place in a bowl. Add in a half cup each of diced celery, green onions, and pickles. Add in gochujang and mayonnaise and season to taste with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix to fully combine and voila, an umami bomb like you've never tasted. Be sure to come back next time to Isobe Food where you get what you need to succeed in the kitchen. I'm your host Jamie. I'll catch you next time.